Hi guys, John Olson, General Manager, Palm Harbor Wholesale Division, New Braunfels, Texas. What I want to show you today is how I can save you 70,000 plus, 80,000 even, over the life of your loan on not having to pay expensive electric bills. We've got what we like to call our Energy Miser packet. Here at Palm Harbor, a couple things that separate us from all our competition. Our first and foremost, we have a graduated duct system that evenly distributes air throughout your entire house. Have you ever been in a house, one room's hot, the other one's freezing? Our graduated air system, duct system, handles that and evenly distributes the air out. Plus, on top of that, we have insulated ducts at Palm Harbor Homes. That keeps all your condensation. The worst thing you can do in an attic space is put moisture on your insulation. You'll have mold immediately. We use insulated duct system, kind of like putting a koozie on a soda. It doesn't drop the moisture out. Another thing we like to pride ourselves on is our mating line gasket. It's this exact same theory as a seal on a refrigerator. If your refrigerator didn't have a seal, would you buy it? Of course not. Here at Palm Harbor, it looks almost like the foam tubes you buy at Walmart to go swimming with. Ours goes through the entire ceiling, down the sidewalls, through the floors, 360 degrees. What does it do? It keeps all exterior vapors out of your attic space, keeps your cold air in, keeps the hot air outside. Also, here in Texas, a big thing is allergies. Well, it's gonna keep all the allergens from getting in your house. It's gonna keep all the insects, allergens, bugs, snakes, rodents out of your house. Could you imagine buying a house without a mating line gasket? I couldn't at all. We're the only company that first manufactured built home that won a gold medal with the U.S. Department of Energy. Nobody else can say that because we did it. Come by to Palm Harbor. We're at 1570 IH 35 North, New Braunfels, Texas, or visit our website, www.newbraunfels.palmharbor.com. We look forward to seeing you. Thank you.